Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also said in the Quran, وَكُونُوا مَا الصَّادِقِينَ, and be with those who are truthful. And lying in any matter, it's prohibited, it's a big sin, and it's guaranteed to be hellfire. And the people who are truthful, they are going towards the way of paradise. As the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, the truthfulness can lead you to righteousness, and righteousness can lead you towards paradise. The person is keep on speaking the truth until he will be returned with Allah as Siddiq, the truthful person. And the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, the lying leads you towards wickedness, and wickedness leads you towards hellfire. Other person will keep on speaking the lie until he will be returned with Allah as Kazib, or the liar. So either you can be a truthful, or either you can be a liar. Allah has given you the choice to be truthful and to be a liar. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala called himself, وَمَنْ أَصَدَّقُ مِنَ اللَّهِ حَدِيثًا, that who can be more truthful than Allah to speak about anything. And Allah called himself Siddiq, or the truthful. And Allah likes those who are truthful, and Allah hates those who are liars. All your life, whenever you have any moment when you are tempted by the shaitan to go for the lie, and you can fight against shaitan and you say, no, I will not tell a lie, I will tell truth. The shaitan will tell you, if you tell the truth now, you will get lots of trouble, you will get this problem and this problem. And you say, no, I will speak the truth. Even whatever happen, I will not tell a lie. And then it seems like you are going to have a problem, but Allah will make it easy for you, and there will be no problem. Rather, Allah will make a solution for you. The people who keep on lying, they always keep on lying until they die as a liar or a kazib. So be always truthful, siddiq, or not to be a kazib or liar. That's a very small message for us. Put in your life, I will not tell a lie even what will happen. I will always speak the truth until I am in this earth. So I'll meet my Lord as a truthful person, and not I'll meet my Lord as a liar.